안녕하세요. 딕시입니다.
렌입니다.
And I'm here again with my cousin.
Hi.
Sooo. And we're going to do another reaction video. Yay! Part 2. And it's going to be BTOB's new music video. Beep beep. Yay! Part 2. Okay, I didn't even listen to the song. Did you?
No.
Okay, so we didn't listen to the song, didn't see the music video, so I'm so excited.
Oh, nice phone.
Okay. This iPhone. Oh my god!
Action. Action. You'll be in the place to be. Action.
Oh, that was some Jen! That's some Jen. Oh, look at it! Oh my god! Looks so good. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I was like, hushik? Oh, where's Mihyuk?
I don't know.
And he's singing more. That was so cute. And now, I saw this when they made the music video, the making of. That's why I know. Oh my god. Why does he look so gorgeous? His rap is amazing. And he's singing more, did you notice? Yeah. His voice is actually really nice, you know? And Sunjin is so yummy. Hey. They're so cool, they're like fighting and then...
Oh no. Oh no.
Why? Is who's standing with girls?
I don't know.
Wait, are you standing with girls there? Oh, that looks fun.
Yeah. No. Oh, you fun. Oh, those things. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, my poor Mihyuk. Oh, it's over. Oh my gosh, this was...
I want to see again.
Oh, this was like full of cuteness. And I really
Yeah.
liked that they had like their individual parts. You know, Penny got to sing more.
Yeah.
You usually don't really notice him because he sings like a few words or something. But this time I really noticed him, and Mihyuk as well, because I really thought at the beginning that Irhun was the only rapper, because Mihyuk didn't really rap, you know. But this time Mihyuk did rap like a lot. But at the end I was like, okay, there was Chansu, there was Sungjae, but where is my Irhun? And then he was there. So this music video really showed like everyone like what they could do, and the dance was also cute. I really loved it.
And the car, that's like a car.
Yeah, that's also cute.
Oh,
So
cool.
yeah. So my advice is Ilhoon, which was
Peniel.
adorable. So you're sticking with Peniel this time because you heard his voice. What about
No,
Seungjae?
because he's so cute and
But Seungjae
I
is
don't
also
know.
cute. So what happens to Seungjae?
yeah. I don't know.
Well, I was like this too. I was like Ilhoon, Ilhoon.
Peniel.
But okay, but I'll stick with Ilhoon. And I also got a photo card with him in press play.
That's why.
Well, that kind of confirmed it, you know. And their album is on their way, so
Yeah.
So we watched like cool music videos today, right?
Yeah.
So we hope we get to watch more cool music videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked our reaction.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Bye.